In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Hostinger account access. If you need a developer, colleague, or contractor to work on your site, Hostinger's account sharing feature lets you give them the access they need without ever sharing your password. It's safer, cleaner, and you stay in control the entire time. Here's what the person you invite can typically do once you grant access. They can modify website files and folders, manage hosting settings, manage databases, and work directly on your websites. What they can see and change depends on the access level you select during the invite. Just as important, there are firm restrictions to protect your account. Shared users can't add or change payment methods, invite other users, change your profile details like your email or password, transfer or unlock domains, or delete your Hostinger account. That way they can build and maintain your site, but they can't touch billing or ownership. To grant access, start by logging in to your Hostinger account. In the top right, click your profile icon and choose Account Sharing. On the Account Sharing page, select Grant Access. Type the email address of the person you want to invite. Double-check that it's the email they actively use for Hostinger, since the invite goes there. Next, choose the access level and specify which services or websites they can manage. If you only want them to work on a single project, pick just that site. If they need broader access, you can include additional services. When you're ready, click Grant Access. The person you invited will receive a confirmation email. They must click the link to accept before access becomes active. If they don't already have a Hostinger account under that email, they'll be prompted to create one first and then accept your invitation. If they can't find the message, it's worth reminding them to check their spam or promotions folders. Once access is granted, you'll see a list of everyone with access in the account sharing panel. This is your central place to review who can do what. If you ever need to remove someone, find their email in the list and click Remove Access. The change takes effect right away, and they'll no longer be able to view or modify your sites, files, or settings. That's it. With account sharing, you can safely collaborate while keeping ownership, billing, and key account details protected. Use it to give the right people the right level of access, and take it away just as easily when the work is done.